Okay, so in this experiment, we are going to be testing our wood impregnation fireproofing technology, which is 100% non-toxic and eco-friendly. We are going to be doing a continuous burn for 5 full minutes, and we will be using for this test compressed wood shaving board, which is about 1/2 inch thick, and as you can see, extremely porous. And we've placed on the back polystyrene to aid us in this test. Now, polystyrene will melt at about 250 degrees, and wood typically will burn at around 500 degrees. Now, we are going to do a burn using MAP gas, and the temperature will be in excess of 2000 degrees. Now, to put that into perspective, the average house fire will burn at around 1200 degrees, and a raging wildfire will be between 1400 and 1700 degrees. So this piece of wood is really going to be put through its paces with temperatures in excess of 2000 degrees for a full 5 minutes. Now, in this test, we are looking for 3 specific outcomes. Number 1, how long will it take for this wood to absorb all that heat with or without catching on fire? Number 2, as with most things that burn, there should be smoke, and a lot of it generally. So we want to see how much smoke will be created in this burn. And number 3, will this extreme heat penetrate the board enough and affect the polystyrene, specifically by melting it? Because all that has to pass through is about 250 degrees. Now, we will be running this in real time for a full 5 minutes to record our findings. So let's get everything bucketed up and started and see where we get to. Now, as this is going, I'm going to take a short break because this will be a few minutes, I presume. And I've got to start the clock. So we start the clock. So we'll see you in a few. Okay, so I'm back. So what we have here, we have a 3-minute burn already. And let's see. At the moment, as you can see, there is no flames. This board has not caught no light. And in terms of smoke, there is very slight smoke that's coming out. But again, the smoke that comes out is 100% non-toxic. You see, our product loves heat. The hotter, the better. Heat to our product is like apple pie to us. Just bring it on. Now, while we're on this, what I want to show you, and I hope you can see this, I'm going to remove this little board just for a brief second so that you can see how hot it truly is, because it's glowing red hot, and I'm not sure you can see that from the video. But I'm going to remove it for one brief second so that you can see how hot it is, and also how quickly that heat will dissipate once I take it off. Are you ready for this? I'll put it straight back. All right, so glowing red hot, and that heat is gone. So let's put that back. I don't want to burn myself. same spot. There we go. All right. Oh, and also, just in case you thought I was Steven Spielberg, I'm going to take this off quickly just to show you that there is no damage yet to the polystyrene. We'll put that back. Let's keep that burn going. Burn, baby, burn. All right. What are we on? 4 minutes, 34 seconds. Let's see. We can start to assess this entire process. So at 4 minutes, we're almost at 5 minutes. The wood is still intact. Smoke, very minimal. And as we said, it's non-toxic. Cannot harm you, cannot affect you in any way. And also, none of the heat has penetrated the board to affect the polystyrene. We're at over 5 minutes. I can actually let 13 seconds. All right, so let's assess. We're going to take this off, and once I turn this off, I'm hoping you'll see how much it's glowing. There it goes, it's dissipated. All right, so at 5 minutes, 30 seconds, what do we have? We have a board that is totally fireproof. As you can see, the amount of smoke is very minimal. Has there been any damage? Absolutely nothing. Heat has not penetrated at all. With our product, we can make all building materials fireproof. That means that every building that gets built can not burn. I guess I'll just leave you with that thought.